Did you know that 1 in 5 women suffer from menstrual disorders? Let's talk about it. Menstrual disorders, they are conditions that affect the normal menstrual cycle. And some of these conditions include amenorrhea, which is absence of menstruation, dysmenorrhea, that is painful menstruation, menorrhagia, heavy or prolonged bleeding, metrorrhagia, irregular bleeding, and polymenorrhagia, that is frequent bleeding or bleeding in less than 21 days time. So, what are the symptoms of menstrual disorders? We have pelvic pain, heavy bleeding, irregular bleeding, spotting or bleeding in between periods, and also mood changes. Do you experience any of these symptoms? So what causes menstrual disorders? You have hormonal imbalances, genetics, thyroid disorders, uterine or ovarian abnormalities, stress and lifestyle factors. My sister, menstrual disorders are never shameful or embarrassing. Let's always talk openly and honestly about our experiences, support each other, and also seek help when needed. Do not feel embarrassed or shameful when you are going through this. It is never an embarrassment. It is just a stigma that surrounds it. And do not let this stigma get deep into you. When do we need to seek help? Consult a healthcare provider if you experience severe symptoms, heavy bleeding, and persistent pain. Do not suffer in silence, for there are people who are always willing to help you come out from that pain. Menstrual disorders are common and treatable. Let's break the silence and support each other. Share your story and help spread awareness. I'll be waiting for your questions at the comment sections. Do not hesitate to ask any question or anything that you want to clarify. I'll be very humble to clarify you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take control. Did you know that menstrual disorders affect 1 in 5 women? Let's explore ways to manage symptoms. We have so many ways of managing menstrual disorders. And some of these include lifestyle changes. And under lifestyle changes, we have eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and also practice stress reducing techniques. It will help to manage menstrual disorders. And apart from lifestyle changes, we also have medications. When symptoms persist, take pain relievers to elevate the pain, or you can also go in for hormonal therapies, like going in for hormonal contraceptives. Yeah, we have contraceptives that when you take it helps to manage menstrual disorders. And we also have surgery interventions if necessary. But with that, you need to contact a healthcare provider to give you a personalized advice. So aside the medical and the lifestyle changes, we also have alternative therapies like acupuncture, taking herbal supplements like ginger, peppermint, and so on to help reduce the pain. Aromatherapy, yoga, and meditations. See, if you don't understand anything, if you don't understand what aromatherapy is, if you don't understand what yoga or meditation is, you can drop your comments or your question at the comment section, and I'll explain it better to you. Thank you. Support and resources. My sister, you are not alone. Yes, I tell you that you are not alone. Join online communities and forums like Health Club B25, yeah, whereby people can share their experiences, the experiences that they had, and how they are able to manage it. You learn from it, you ask your questions, you comment, and that. Join menstrual health organizations. Men, don't be left out, don't be alone. Always learn, be ready to learn from others, and do not feel shy of asking any question in your mind, please. A B25, it is a developing online community. Very soon it is going to become a community whereby women grow, it will help women to grow, learn, grow, and thrive for themselves. So I advise you to always stay on track. Do not be left out. So apart from the above mentioned points, we also have tracking and monitoring as a way of managing menstrual disorders. Stay on top of your period. Do not let it take you by surprise. Download calendars, download apps that will help you track your period. Download apps that will help you track your symptoms. Apps that will also help you monitor your flow and symptoms. It really helps a lot. It will notify you as to when your period is coming, when you should be expecting your ovulation, and that it won't take you by surprise. Yeah. And it will also help you to know if you are having consistent pain, if you are having consistent menstrual disorders. Yeah, because you don't just feel pain for the first month and you're running to hospital. Sometimes, as I mentioned earlier, it's hormonal imbalances, and that when you travel, when you change of location, change of diet, are factors that can bring most of those things. But if you have the period tracker or the symptom app, at least anytime you should be able to know that for the past 3 or 4 months, I've been experiencing pain and it is moving from mild to worse. So that one will prompt you that you need to visit a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis. Yeah. Take control of your menstrual health now. Remember, managing menstrual disorders requires patience, self-care, and support. Share your experiences and tips with others. Abeg, do not be stingy. Share your experiences at the comment section, ask your questions, and please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also do well to follow me on YouTube at Health Blog P25. Thank you very much for having you on board, and I'll see you in the next session. God bless you.